Okay, well you didn't get up there fast enough.
Crazy.
Yeah, crazy.
Is Kaylee going crazy? Hey. No. You let Kaylee go down, and then you can have another turn. Go ahead. Come on down, Kaylee. Yeah! Good job!
You gonna go again?
Go ahead, go run back.
You gotta go around, Kaylee. Just gonna watch Sam. Are you gonna catch Sam?
Okay, come on down, buddy. Yeah!
You gonna go again? You gotta go around back.
I love her laugh.
Oh, Sam, watch out for Kaylee. Hang on, Kaylee, let Sam go. Go ahead, Sammy. Belly first.
Nice.
Whoa! Goofball. Okay.
What?
Kaylee.
Waiting for me?
Go ahead, Kaylee.
Go on down.
I'm waiting for Sam.
Well, I don't think you can both fit down there at the same time. You gotta go one at a time.
No.
Hey, Sam, you let Kaylee go first. Her legs are already there. Aha! Nice.
Go right back. Go around back.
Go ahead, go around.
Just waiting for Sam to go.
Wait for me.
Yay for you! Come on.
Oh, it's because she keeps waiting for him. He keeps saying, wait for me.
Okay.